We're in Westfield today, super close to the shops, real close to all kinds of restaurant options, the downtown area. It's 9 Miller Street. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. We got a great house here. It's a little rainy today, but we're on the front covered porch. There's a great porch in the back as well. We're gonna go inside, have Steph from Coldwell Banker show us around this place. Come on. Steph!
Hello!
High five!
Okay.
Fist bump! Okay, we're doing it all. All right.
Great property, renovations throughout, both cosmetic and the mechanical, so
Great.
go around.
Show us the way.
All right, let's go.
Oh, looks like all new appliances.
And I'm totally obsessed with these quartz countertops.
Oh wow, convenient first floor laundry.
So this is a really great property. It has lots of updates, including the new roof, new furnace, new hot water tank, new flooring, new kitchen, gutters, new doors, interior and exterior.
These new floors came out great. There's also an unfinished attic space here for, looks like a ton of storage up there.
Lots of storage up there. Off this bedroom here, not only does it have a great porch area, but there's also great flex space. Could be a nursery, a home office.
Maybe even a walk-in closet for all them shoes.
I like that. Head outside and check out the really nice back porch, and there's also a detached garage.
Pretty decent sized backyard as well. Thanks for the tour, Steph. This place has it all. If you want a private showing here, reach out to Steph. Her number is right here on the screen. If you'd like to get pre-approved for a mortgage, hit me up. This place is in Westfield. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. See you next time, Westfield. We're out of here.